Hello everyone and welcome to the continuation of our kudos or congratulations UI. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. Okay, but so far we were able to do this and then these texts. Okay, so as you see here, this is what we have so far. Okay, we'll style them in the CSS parts, but now we would want to continue to building these texts. Okay, and then the buttons. Okay, so that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to create another container. Okay, so another container. So div dot let's use what name? Details. Okay, so inside our details div we are going to create an h1 tag. So h1, and the h1 I'm going to type Jacqueline or hi. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so h1 hi Jacqueline. Okay, so hi Jacqueline, comma, and I'm going to put a break. So, or better still, let's type everything before I put a break. You are a top. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and then type everything. Okay, so I've typed this. Okay, so we have them on one line. Okay, but in our UI, they're supposed to be on another. So your hi Jacqueline is on another line. Your a top instructor on okay, it's on another line. Then it's Shepherd is also on another line. So that said, I'm going to put the BR. So BR. Okay, so we have it, and then we would also do same here. BR. Okay, and now let's see what we want. So we want to continue by typing the dates here, which is what we have here, this dates. Okay, so just out of or inside the div, I would use an h6. So h6 tag, and then I can use any date. So let's see, first January 2023. Okay, so we have it. Okay, so you can see the h6 is smaller than the h1 tag. Okay, so let's do that of the buttons as we have here. Okay, so I'm going to have to, where's my div? So this div, I'm going to create another div. So div dot, I'll call it btn for just button. Okay, and then we'll start creating our buttons. So let's start with the button. Use button, or let's use okay, let's do button. Okay, so I created an ID, so button ID btn1, since we need two buttons, and then the first button is going to be called, is the display text is going to be C reviews. Okay, so we have, you can see we have our button created. Then I'll copy this, Control C, paste it here, and then I'll change this to button 2, and then I'll change, so our ID is button 2, and then our display text is going to be called contribute more. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, you can see it's horizontally aligned. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll learn to use CSS to be able to style our text. So this is what we want to achieve, and so far we've done every UI here. So this, we have our elements, our profile, our logo, this text, and then these buttons. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll start styling. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.